What happened to it?
Huh?
Was it smoke?
No, it's dripped it out. It's like,
Oh,
it looks
wow.
like transmission fluid.
Look at that. Wow.
You ain't going on the market this year.
Yeah, I was good.
Oh, I smell that.
Wow, this is Z06. They cranked it up and they blew something. Unbelievable. I will be pissed.
Cooling. That's coolant coming out. So what did he say? It has to cool, so that way if it does get a little hot, it'll start, the fans will kick in. When you said that, I started smelling and seeing it. No, that's not right. I think Shane's on the phone with the plant. Yeah, that's why. So, then I started smelling it. Everybody does. That's why I'm glad there's something because when it's, of course, the fans are cool. A lot of times when you get up under here, you just turned it on and off. So it hadn't been idling a whole lot. So anyway, that's why I got that. This is the first time I've ever seen it. Well, it's a good thing that I started it off.
Mine was out Sunday night and Monday. Monday night. And you know, I think that I don't have the breakfast.
Well, that's going to end today's tour of the Corvette Museum. I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I had put together. And if you notice that last video, I haven't uploaded yet. I have to edit the video. One of the, man, it was crazy. One of the brand new C8 Z06 sitting on the sitting in Corvette lane, waiting for the driver to take possession. I do believe the driver come up, take possession of the vehicle. When they started the vehicle up, she blew a gasket. I like, wow! A brand new car, she blew a gasket, and antifreeze was everywhere. It's the white Z06. It was a white Z06, and I got a good video of it. But man, that was unbelievable. Brand new car, but when they started that thing up, man, it sure sound nice. The next thing you know, it started smoking. It started smoking, and some fluid come off under the bottom of it, and it was antifreeze. So they, I guess they took it back over to the plant. What caused that, I don't know. Man, that's unbelievable. Well, you know, I hate things like that happen. Well, I ask you guys, hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. I do hope you guys enjoy this presentation of the Corvette Museum. And I decided I would drive down here in celebration of my 61st birthday, which was yesterday. And I'm gonna drive around to the track and see if the track is open. And I do believe the plant is open for tours, but you have to get you a ticket in order to tour the plant. You have to get you a ticket in advance, and the tickets are $50 per adult, and I think it's Monday through Friday, if I'm not mistaken. But you have to, if you're gonna come down to the Corvette Museum and you want to go into the Corvette plant, so you can actually see the manufacturing and development of the C8, then you have to purchase you a ticket in advance. And like I said, the tickets are $50 per adult. So I did not know that until I arrived here today. So we won't be going to the plant. But hopefully next time I come down here, I'll have things better planned and better organized. Well, I'm gonna drive down to the racetrack and see if the racetrack is open. It's probably not open. But I'm wanting to see. They do a lot of racing on the weekends. I don't know if they do it during the week. But we're going to ride down here and see. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm John Shaft, and we thank you in advance for watching.